In this video, we're going to do just a quick little exploration of what happens if we use the URL or the Chrome extension to make a citation instead of manually putting the information into the boxes. So I still also have that video citation already here in my project, so we can do a little comparison after we get a new one. So I'm going to click on Add Citation. And we're going to go to video again. And this time, we're going to paste the link. And we're going to take a look at what happens when that is filled in. So the reason that we like to make our citations manually is it adds an element of evaluation to our citation because we have to think, does it have an author? We have to think, does it tell us a year it was created? We have to think, does it have a publisher? And if we're putting together those citations and we're missing elements like that, then we need to think maybe this site is not the best one to use. So sometimes when we do a link and we just search and we copy, paste, and take it into our bibliography, sometimes we skip those thinking steps. Another thing that I like in this MyBib is that when we do a copy and pasted one, it gives us a couple of clues to look at. So this is saying that this is probably credible. Okay. And it's also pointing out that we have all of these pieces of our citation. So I'm going to go ahead and click that arrow to accept that as a citation. And now it's asking me to just double check all of these entries. So I can take a look at this side by side with my site and just compare that all that information is correct. Now I'm noticing something, a little yellow thing here. So it's giving me a suggestion. The word virtual should most likely be capitalized. Okay, let's go ahead and fix that. What else are you suggesting? And that was it. We fixed it. So then I go down and down. And I'm going to save my citation. So it's asking me, this could possibly do a duplicate. I did purposefully do a duplicate, so I'm going to add it. And this is what we came up with. So if I look at my comparison, the only thing I'm noticing that is maybe incorrect that I didn't catch, I should have caught this when I checked, is that it's put the first and last name in the wrong place. So I'm just going to click on that and edit it quickly. Okay. So we want to change this to a person and just switch that over and update it. Okay. And now I'm noticing that pretty much everything else looks the same. So when the question comes up of, can I use the copy and paste URL? The answer in MyBib is yes, if you pay attention to those clues, you double check what was put there, and you look for any of those red or yellow caution signs when you're putting together the citation. There is, if you want to, as another shortcut, it's kind of helpful. You can get the Chrome extension and you can cite that way as well. Thinking here. And again, it gives us, gives us an idea of if it's credible and things like that.